Hello my crazy beaders! Today I'm going to show you the process of creating bead collar necklace. Inside this hand-packed box, you will find everything you need to create ethnic bead necklace. To get your hands on such an collar making kit, simply click on the link in the video description to visit my Etsy shop and place your order. For this bead project, you will need the following materials. You can find all these materials available for purchase in my Etsy shop, Crazy Academy. Beading thread, Preciosa Czech beads, beading needle size 12. To begin, let's make the first row of beads. Take a long enough piece of thread. String 52 beads in a sequence. Pass the needle back up through the first light green bead. String to light green beads plus 3 blue beads. And pass the needle through the first blue bead. And again, string 2 blue beads plus 3 dark purple beads. And pass the needle through the first dark purple bead, you will get the second rhombus. String 2 dark purple beads plus 3 white beads. And pass the needle through the white bead. String 3 white beads plus 2 dark purple beads. And pass the needle through the last dark purple bead. String 3 dark purple beads plus 2 light blue beads. And pass the needle through the first seed bead. Don't cut anything. The first row is ready. String 2 blue beads plus 3 dark purple beads. And pass down through the first dark purple bead. And again, string 2 dark purple beads plus 3 white beads. And pass the needle through the next first white bead, or you can count third seed bead of the nearest rhombus. See the scheme? String 5 white beads. And pass the needle through the last white bead. Then string 3 white beads plus 2 dark purple beads and pass the needle through the last dark purple bead. String 3 dark purple beads plus 2 blue beads. And pass the needle through the last blue bead. Next, string 3 light green beads plus 21 dark purple beads. And pass the needle through the first light green bead. String to light green beads plus 3 dark purple beads and pass the needle through the 3th bead of the nearest rhombus, first dark purple on the scheme. String to dark purple beads plus 3 white beads. And pass needle through the third bead of the nearest rhombus, white bead on the scheme. And again, string 5 light green beads. And pass the needle through the third bead of the nearest rhombus, white bead. String 5 light green beads and pass the needle through the third bead of the nearest rhombus, white bead. String 3 white beads plus to dark purple beads and pass the needle through the third bead. The second row is ready. The next rows are sewn in the same way, only we change the colors. The first part is ready 8 rows. This necklace consists of 9 such parts or 72 rows. Attach the jump rings and the clasp to the outside loops of the collar. You can make this necklace in any color combination and size you like. All the necessary materials and kits can be purchased from my shop on Etsy using coupon code YouTube. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on new videos.